Hey you guys, so I'm in my bathroom today to do some organizing. I'm going to do this in several different parts, I think, because I don't really have that much time to do a lot. I'm going to do at least under my sink and maybe also this area in my bathroom. So this is my side of the bathroom. Hello. So I put like a bunch of my skincare on this little rack. That stuff needs to be dealt with. And then under the sink is the main area that I want to deal with today. So we're just gonna get crack-a-lackin' on this. You guys know the drill. It's just in a different location today. So here we go. So this is what I came up with for reorganizing the things that were under my sink. So if you guys watch my vanity reorganization, I had this little basket and I put my self tanners, which I have back there, and put those in here. And so I just added in my body scrubs that I have, my backup toothpaste and hand soap, and then my razor cartridges and cotton rounds. Then behind that I have backups of my hair dye, my Dove bar soap. Then in this little like narrow one, these are just like the normal pencil holder or whatever, I put a Clarisonic brush head, an extra contact lens solution or contact holder, and then my contacts, an extra contact lens solution, and then back here I have some Velcro rollers, 2 things of Nair, which those things I really never use, but I like to have them, and then the box for the clipless curling iron I have. And then here in this shoe box, I put 2 things of toilet paper because my side of the sink is right next to the toilet, so I like to keep these in here. And then I have my travel holders for my Clarisonic, my Warby Parker glasses, and my Sonicare toothbrush. And then I have boxes of pads. And then I have this in here as like a backup. It's a Victoria's Secret spray, and we like to use those as our bathroom spray instead of Febreze, so I have that in there for when we need it. And I'm really happy with this. I think it's really organized and I can see everything. It's not cluttered. It's pretty spacious and I just really like how it turned out. So I think that's all I have time for now because my battery is about to die and I also have to take my sister to soccer practice. So I hope that you like this quick organizational video and be sure to stay tuned for other bathroom overhaul videos in the near future. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye!